The 2009 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power driver's seat, traction control, Bluetooth, HomeLink garage door opener, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control, side airbag, climate control, rear defroster, fog lamps, fog lights, security system, power windows, CD player, power locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.